Hello everyone, I hope you're well, hope you're doing alright. So there's multiple ways to view an oil right now, but I am going to view it this way that I'm going to explain right now. This is my observation for oil. So we did form tops right here. We were pushing through to the upside from there. First of all, we formed a three drives pattern, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. The market came back to the top of that three drives and formed tops with it. The market took these stops right there and reversed with volume, broke this low, broke this low right here, and then started. We can see the break right here on furthermore on lower time frames. For example, if we go to the 2 hours right here, you'll see if I put my mouse right there, boom, broke this low as well. And also you can just put your mouse on a certain candlestick. You can see right here L, which means low. The low of that candlestick is 75.50. The low of that candlestick is 75.49. So we did break this low. I'm just right here explaining more than I should and boring the fuck out of you guys. But anyway, the market formed these stops right here, took them out, reversed, broke the lows right here. So gave us a sign of a reversal, told us that I am going down. I just took these stops. The stop losses of these stops were right above here. So I just took the stop losses of these stops and I am right now reversing to the downside. And then the market changed its mind and pushed up. Now, as soon as that high was broken right here, in my opinion, the reversal failed. The reversal right here failed, and it told us, no, I am going towards the next level of liquidity. Now, where's the next level of liquidity here? Here's the most interesting part. A lot of people are looking at this setup right here as the market formed tops, the market took tops right there, and started pushing through to the downside. Now, I am not seeing it this way. The reason why I am not seeing it this way is because if the market formed tops right here and someone was selling the 6-hour swing trade, and let's say, where would they place their stop losses? They would place their stop losses above that high. The market didn't reach up enough into that high to take their stop losses. What it did instead is it formed stop losses right here. So we created a further level of liquidity right there, and left stop losses, left even more stop losses above here. So after a sign of reversal failing and more stop losses forming to the upside, and then the market impulsing like that to the downside, I do see that there's a huge possibility that we at least get a push right here through to the upside on oil. Now, I want to be very clear with this. I am not going to be, of course, as usual, I always say that, I am not going to just be doing that. Like, let's buy here, and then boom, towards the tops. I'm just looking for a small retracement here for oil that kind of coincides with that theory. So what I am going to do is just small retracement into here. This is what I'm looking for right now. Just a small retracement into here. We can see that as the market is going down right now. Let's look at this. Let's look at that. So 1, 2, 3. The second drive formed bottoms. The third drive, boom, pushed into them. 3 drives pattern through to the downside. We can receive a small retracement up into here at least. This is what I'm looking for oil next. So, there's nothing much to add here. As you can see, the market rocketed through to the upside into my TP, into the $80 area. All I want to say is this is my reversal pattern here, my fake reversal pattern right here. As you can see, the market forms stops, let's say, stop losses above a certain area. The market liquidates those stop losses, forms a low indicating a certain reversal by breaking some lows right here through to the downside, and then fakes to the upside again, fails to the upside again actually. And therefore, when we do that, I expect the market to never cross the low of the reversal. So this is our boundary here. If we ever cross it, then the fake reversal is done and I don't look at it anymore. If we don't cross it, then I am aiming at the next level of liquidity above this high right here, above the high of the fake reversal. Now, where's the next level of liquidity? First of all, we have these stop losses right here. Second of all, as you can see, as soon as we liquidated them, we did a small retracement to the downside. And then the second line of liquidity, the second level of stop losses, are these stops right there. So let's say this high right here. Boom. Into them. and then the market started melting down right after taking out these stop losses, and we'll see where we go from there. This is it for oil. This is it for today's video. If you'd like some more, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.